Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a review slash two looks in one with the new Anastasia collection. This collection is called The Collection. I'm looking on the Anastasia website and I just got these two boxes in the mail for PR and I thought it would be a good idea to review them for you. And if you are interested in them or you're gonna buy any of these things, I thought I would throw in two quick little makeup tutorials in today's video. So it's a lot. It's swatches, review, and two looks. So I don't want to talk about this forever because I have a feeling this video is gonna be really long. But I thought these collections were so incredibly cute. I wanted to do a whole video on them. This one in pink is the daytime collection, which by the way, both of these are online exclusives, like exclusive to Anastasia.com, and you could actually get both collections like in this box. It's not just for PR. It comes with this and their little palm tree neon sign, which is right there. I had to put it up for this video because I thought it was so freaking cute. You can get the neon sign and this whole collection on their website and it's $60. But the daytime collection comes with these really cute pink heart glasses that are see-through. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. I love these. But it comes with that, an eyeshadow quad and two liquid lipsticks. And then this one is actually the Sunset collection, which comes with the same glasses, only in purple. Also really freaking cute. I truly don't know which one I like more. You also get an eyeshadow quad and two lip glosses in this set. You get two liquid lipsticks in the other one, but this one comes with lip glosses. And this whole set plus the neon light is actually $58. But anyway, I was really inspired by this collection. As soon as I got it in the mail and I was opening everything up, first of all, it reminded me of like old school MAC, when we used to get these quads at MAC and it was like all the rage. So I got really excited. I knew I wanted to do swatches and just review the collection in general and give you my thoughts because I have already used everything and I pretty much know how I feel. So the first things I want to talk about are the eyeshadows because I feel like this is what everyone is mostly interested in. They look exactly like the MAC quads, like I said, exact same packaging, and these retail for $32. I honestly don't remember how much the MAC quads used to cost, but I want to say they were a little bit more than $32. Now for me, the biggest difference between these quads and the MAC ones are that the eyeshadows are a lot more pigmented and just a lot better in these quads. I personally don't think MAC eyeshadows are that good anymore. I think they're a little chalky. I feel like they don't blend as good as the mattes from Anastasia or the mattes from Colourpop even. And their shimmers are decent, they're just not the best. In my opinion, the Anastasia shimmers, oh my gosh, they are so good and so incredibly foiled. There is no comparison, and honestly I don't even know why I'm sitting here comparing these to MAC eyeshadows. It's just the packaging that reminds me of it, but just in case you guys were wondering. And honestly, I do like both of these quads. I do like the Sunset one more than I like the daytime one, and if I'm gonna be honest, if I had to choose which collection I like more, I like the Sunset one more than the daytime one overall. Which is crazy because I love warm eyeshadows and I thought the daytime collection was gonna be my biatch. And it's good, I like it, I just like the Sunset one a lot more. So in both of these quads, you get two mattes and two more metallic shimmery shades. The mattes are nice. The only one I didn't like was this one right here. I'm not sure what these are called. There are no names on these eyeshadows, but you'll notice it when I'm doing my eyes in the daytime tutorial. This eyeshadow looks really nice when you're initially applying it, but the more you try to pack this color like in your crease, the darker it gets and the muddier it gets. Now the darkness doesn't bother me because some crease shades do darken the more you apply them, but the more I would try to blend out that color like in an initial spot in my crease, the darker it would get, and then it ended up being just a little bit muddy and I didn't really love that. So I had to go over that with this really pretty peachy orange shade. I love this eyeshadow. It's such a pretty warm matte peach that will just warm up any look you do. I really like this one. These two are definitely the stars in this quad, more so this one, but this is a really gorgeous foiled rose gold. It's not something you've never seen before, but it does have a beautiful formula and it looks really shiny on the lids. But this color, oh, this is my favorite in the quad. It's a gold, but it has that pinky undertone that just meshes so well with these other shades. And personally, I feel like I would buy this whole quad just for this eyeshadow alone. I think it's that beautiful. There is a unique quality to it that I really love. Also in the daytime collection, you get two liquid lipsticks. You get one that's a little bit more pearly purple in the shade Punch, and then you get this one that's a little bit more pinky orange, and this one's called Bellini. Honestly, I feel like it just depends on who you ask. Some people are really into that metallic lip and some people are not. I happen to be one of those people who are not so much. This one in the shade Punch was just a little bit too silvery for me. I feel like it just wasn't flattering on my lips, and I have very dry, crusty lips most of the time, so metallic lips just tend to look awful on me, but that's just my personal opinion. I've seen some people rock a metallic lip and it looks gorgeous. It's just when I looked at myself up close in the mirror, I was really noticing just a lot of buildup and weirdness with this liquid lipstick. I don't think it's the Anastasia formula that's bad. I just think metallic lips don't look the best on me. I love the idea of having a lot of light come to your lips and making them look nice and dimensional and glittery like that, but I prefer to do that with a lip gloss, not so much a liquid lipstick. Lip glosses are just a little bit more flattering and they sit nicer on your lips and they don't really collect and get weird. So with that being said, personally for me, if I had to buy all of these things all over again, I would skip on the liquid lipsticks and I would just buy the quad because of this gold, because of that gold. Because I think without it, you can't get these shades pretty much anywhere. But I mean, you can get anything pretty much anywhere nowadays. That's the only thing that sucks. It's like, there's, what more can we do? What else is there? Where's that from? What else is there? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I think that's from Peter Pan. Yeah, when he's talking to Wendy in the woods and he's having that emotional.
We have fun, don't we? I taught you to fight
And to fly.
What more could there be? What else is there?
I knew I got that from somewhere. Anyway, back to this. I think overall the daytime collection is really nice, especially if you are into these kinds of colors. If you like metallic liquid lipsticks, you will like this collection. Now, my favorite. The Sunset collection. I was so inspired by this one. I guess it's because of the mix of the lavender and the pinks, and I've been really liking more neutral eyeshadows these days. I know that seems crazy, but it's true. And mixing the elements of cool tones and warm tones, pairing colors you wouldn't normally pair together. And I feel like this quad is kind of a safe way of doing that. You get your really neutral browns that aren't too warm or too cool, and then you get a really fun pop of like silvery purple. And personally, I didn't find any issues with any of the mattes. They blended really nicely. They are so creamy and buttery. I really like Anastasia eyeshadows. For both of the tutorials you're about to see, I didn't apply Fix Plus to my eyes at all. Even though I really wanted to with the rose gold shade in the daytime quad, I honestly didn't really feel the need to at the end of the day, and especially not with this one. I am wearing all 4 of these eyeshadows on my eyes right now. They are just really, really good quality. So overall, I really did enjoy the Sunset quad. I feel like it's up to you to feel if you think it's worth $32 or not, because I mean, it is just 4 eyeshadows. But if you're worried about quality, it is there. And then you also get 2 lip glosses in the Sunset collection, which makes me love this collection even more. I love these lip glosses. I am currently wearing the shade Blue Hawaii on my lips. I'm wearing it over my Maybelline Tara lip liner. This one looked gorgeous on the lips too. Oh, I feel like this one's my favorite. This one's called Pink Daquiri. The formula on this is so beautiful, buildable, and it gives you so much dimension to the lips, and your lips feel juicy and glossy. Oh my gosh, I freaking love these so much. And these colors are stunning, so unique and so fun. I feel like for the upcoming spring, I'm gonna use these a lot. I love them. And they actually retail for $16. So they're $4 cheaper than the liquid lipsticks. Why is the collection only $2 cheaper? Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't know. I feel like they don't get gross or goopy in the center of your lips. I've been wearing this one for a while and I love it. And they're so buildable. I only applied like a sheer layer of it. So good. Oh, and they smell incredible. Let me smell the liquid lipsticks. Okay, yeah, you see the liquid lipsticks have no scent. Let me smell this one. Yeah, the liquid lipstick, wait. No, yeah, the liquid lipsticks have no scent. These lip glosses smell good enough to eat. And it's weird because they both smell really good, but they both smell different. Blue Hawaii smells like sweet cupcakes, something edible. While the pink one smells exactly like old school lip smackers. It has a more fruity vibe. It smells really similar to the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs as well, which you know smell delicious. So yeah, that is the Sunset collection. If I had to just pick one, I would go with the Sunset collection, but of course, ultimately it's up to you. But yeah, guys, that pretty much sums up how I feel. Like I said, I wanted to show you 2 different looks using both of these collections. I wanted to show you all 4 lip colors on my lips, and I wanted to use all the eyeshadows. The daytime look is a little bit more fresh, while the Sunset look is a little bit, well, I mean, I'm wearing it, a little bit more glamorous, a little bit more full coverage. One is a little bit more simple, the other one is a little bit, it's also simple, but a little less simple. But yeah, if you want to see how to get those 2 looks, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for the daytime look, I'm starting off with my face. I'm going in with the Hourglass Serum Primer, and then I'm going in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in Y305. This one is a little bit too dark for me right now, but it's okay, we make it work. I'm also using the Makeup Forever Self-Setting Concealer. I've been using it a lot recently, and I really like it. I also powdered my face off camera, by the way, because I was in the middle of filming another video. Oh, by the way, I had to put the palm tree there, so cute. I was filming another video and it was about the powder, so I already set my under eyes and my face, and now I'm going in with the eyes. I'm taking the Daytime Quad and I'm going in with the matte brown, and I'm using this as my crease shade, buffing this into my crease, and I'm slowly building this color up. I wanted to add some warmth to the look, so I took the peachy orange shade and I just buffed that right on top of that brown. I'm pretty much putting this color everywhere. I'm not being very precise at all. It's very messy, but I like it that way. And then I took my finger and I applied the rose gold shade on the inner corners and the outer corners of my eye, because we're going for a very soft halo effect here. So I'm slowly building that color up. And then I'm going in with the beautiful gold and I am popping that right in the center. Now I'm taking that matte brown eyeshadow and I am buffing that on my lower lash line. And then I am taking that matte peachy orange shade and buffing it right on top. And then to complete that halo eye look all around, I applied the rose gold on the inner corners and the outer corners on my lower lash line, and then I popped the gold right in the center, just so it all looks cohesive and everything matches. I'm taking Moony from my Dream Street palette and I'm using that to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone. And then I went in with some mascara. This is the Colourpop BFF mascara. I applied it to my top and bottom lashes. And then to finish off the face, I went in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then I took a little bit of the Colourpop Private Party Bronzer because it's a little bit deeper and it has a little bit of a sheen to it, which I really love. So I applied that on top. And then for blush, I went in with my Bare Peach Coats. I love Bare Peach. I've been using the Buxom blushes so much, I had to pop on some Bare Peach. And then to highlight, I took the Ofra All Glowed Up palette and I'm using the shade Rodeo Drive and I'm highlighting my face. And this highlight is amazing. You look so wet and dewy. It's fantastic. For my lip, I'm going in with the Pat McGrath Undone lip liner, and then I'm taking the Anastasia liquid lipstick in Bellini and I'm applying that right on top. And then that completes the first look. This is the daytime look. Very simple, very French. And then if you want something a little bit more nighttimey, we are going to jump into the sunset look. By the way, I bought this makeup tape off of Ulta, and yeah, it's a little bit more rough than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be very soft, but it kind of hurt taking it off. But yeah, it didn't go so well, and you'll see in a second. But I just applied the makeup tape to the corners of my eyes to create a cat eye effect, and then I went in with the matte brown in the Sunset Quad. And then there's two matte browns, but I went in with the light matte brown first. And then I took the darker matte brown and I'm applying this just on the outer corners of my eyes. I love doing looks like this where I apply the tape and then build up the matte brown eyeshadows on top. It just creates such a smoky effect and I love it. But then to create kind of like a smooth, even blank canvas, I added some concealer to my lid, as you can see here. And then I took the purpley silvery color and I started building this color on the inner half of my eye. I'm leaving a space in the middle for the bronze color and I'm gonna like mesh the two together. So I'm just applying the bluish purpley shade and then I took the bronze and I layered it right next to it. And I'm kind of blending them together with my finger and making sure they look nice and seamless and connected to one another. And then I took a brush and I got really, really close to the edges just to make everything a lot more precise and perfected. And yeah, I just did that until they looked pretty blended together. And then I took some more of that deeper shade and I started applying that really close to the tape and then dragging it in to create a nice smoky effect on the outer corners. And then I took off the tape and I realized, wow, they are not even at all. Like, not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. So I do try to fix this a bit with eyeshadow. So bear with me. But right now we're going in with our face products. I'm taking the new Tarte face tape foundation. I used the face base primer as well. Oh my gosh, all these face tape base names are so strange. But I used the new Tarte foundation and I don't know how I feel about it. It's very, very full coverage. I'm still testing it out, but I don't think it's my favorite. I don't know how I feel. I don't know if I like it. But for concealer, I used the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Wand Concealer, and then I set it down with my Beauty Bakerie Flour Powder. To finish up the eyes, I took the lighter matte brown, and I started to smudge that on my lower lash line. And then I took the darker matte brown and I tried to connect the top to the bottom as best as I could. They were so high up and just not angled properly, but I tried to fix it to the best of my abilities. And I took both of the matte browns, by the way, and I'm just smudging them on the lower lash line. I took my Colourpop On The Cusp highlight and I highlighted my brow bone and my inner corners with that as well. And I totally got out of frame, but there you go. I curled my lashes and then I applied my mascara. This is the Hourglass Caution Mascara. And then that completes the eyes. I actually really love this eye look, even though I messed it up a little bit. I love the color combination. For the face, I'm going in with my Thrive Causemetics Rhea bronzer, and I'm using this to contour and bronze the skin. And then I took my Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon blush for this look, because I wanted a more nudish blush, best blush ever. And then I took this Milk Cosmetics Stargazer highlight. I just recently bought this and I freaking love it. I set my face with my Morphe setting spray, and then for the lips I went in with my Maybelline Tora lip liner and I filled in my lips with this, and then I went in with the Anastasia Blue Hawaii lip gloss, and then that completes the sunset look. So yeah guys, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed those 2 quick makeup tutorials and I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope it helped you out in some way. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if there's another new collection out there that you want me to review. Like I say 1,000 times, I want to do videos you guys actually want to see. So request. But anyway guys, that completes this video. I love you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and I will see you in my next video. Bye. 2 quick little tutorial, 2 quick little makeup. Did you hear that? What was that noise?
I don't know. I think it becomes clearer when you grow up. I will not grow up. You cannot make me. I'll banish you like Tinkerbell. Oh look, we vanished. Go home and grow up.